Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of Node.js. So today we are going to learn about the package of npm that is called lodash. So why we are using lodash, we are going to learn in this video. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. So today I'm going to sort a array using the help of the Lodash, because Lodash has a package have everything for sorting the arrays, sorting and merging everything. It has pre-compile the things, so we have to just use it and install this package. Okay, so today we are using the name of the key that is called sort by, right? So sort by basically sorting your array, whether it's to be array of objects and whether it's to be array. If you want to sort by a number or a name, if it is array of objects, then you can definitely use this one, because we don't need to manipulate much more things with the help of JavaScript. We can use this package and do our stuff. So today we am going to learn about the sort by thing, right? So let's see how it gonna be working. So before that one, we have to install this lodash. So the command is npm install lodash, right? After installing, you can see that this is the array, right? 218, and it is unsorted, just not like sorted by the by ascending or descending, right? You can see that it's 2184586, right? So we want to sort this array, right? So by this method you can add lodash. This is the lodash in which we are referring, and sort by whatever array we have. When we pass it, you can see that before it is 2184586, now 1245688. Now it is sort by us number wise, right? So you can use this method by using this one. Okay, next we are going to do with the objects, right? Because object array of objects, we have multiple things, right? We want to sort by the price, we want to sort by the name, we want to sort by the id or something like this we want to achieve. So let's see how it gonna be work. So I have already a reference over here. So this is the users part, right? So I'm going to add this user part. Okay, so this is the user part, right? So I want to sort this by like a user or by the age or something, right? So this is a function that you need to add the sort by. Okay, just use this one. Here I'm going to not underscore, it should be a lodash, right? Because I have defined as a lodash part. Okay, so I'm going to add lodash sort by users, because we uses the array function return or dot user. If I go and just console.log this one, okay, so here we will mention it in your variable const test. Okay, so I'm going to console.log this one, console.log test, right? So let's see. If I go and just run this, you can see that is sort by the user. Currently you can see that here it's Fred Barney. Okay, and now you can see that Barney then Fred, because it's sorted by the alphabetic letter, right? If you want to sort it by the age, you can also make it as a age also here. Okay, so it's to be like 34 comes to be first, right? So 34, 36, 40, 48. So it's working properly, right? So this kind of sorting, if you want, right? So you can use this one. So this is how we can sort by sort by with the help of the lodash very easily, very effectively. There's just a simple single line of code that we have to write. None other than we have to write a long JavaScript code and manipulate. Just you can use this package and make the coding level easier, right? So thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.